Welcome back to Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee. Today I am talking about Story Art. It is a quick editing app that you can use that is already formatted for Instagram stories. It is a free app, but they do have a subscription that you can do yearly and it's $9.99. Highly recommend it. I would start out with the free first, see if you use it and see if you want access to the templates that you don't currently have with the free option. Then you can go ahead and sign up for the yearly. So it looks like this. It is just a kind of a S circle thing. So you click on that and it will show you a bunch of different templates. They even have highlight covers that you can do. They have animated, they have literally every single one. So you can find which one will go on brand or will match whatever story you are trying to tell. I personally use it for new launches on my shirts and just add a little bit of music to it. Makes it a little bit more fun than rather than just posting a picture of a shirt. But they also have it, like I use it for my newsletter. You can use it for literally anything you want. You can just post it for a casual Saturday at the park, or if you have a new launch or a product or something, it's super fun to work with. So all you do is just pick a template that you like and it will take you to the editing process. Push the add button. You can pick any kind of picture that you want. I will go ahead and do this one and you just add it in there. You can move around with the text. They give you a bunch of different options. So what you can do is you can edit text and then it'll give you, there we go, all those different kind of text options to choose from. You can do the size, you can do the color, you can do anything you want. You can add more, you can take it away. It's up to you completely. I highly recommend using this. The most popular one that I use is the animated stories because it's just super fun. Sorry, I'm doing a video, hello. So you just push play and then you can kind of see it. And then I go into Instagram and I go ahead and I do a music with it to kind of spice it up a little bit, but it'll show all your videos. So if you have a video inside of it, it'll show the video inside of the thing. So I uploaded a YouTube video inside my next story. You can see it. I can click play and it'll play inside the template. It's pretty dang awesome. So for being a free app, I highly recommend it. If you want to spice up your Instagram stories, go for it. Story Art in the App Store, free, but you can upload it to a upgrade it to a $9.99 monthly or yearly subscription. It is awesome. Highly recommend.